Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and sell in multiple languages on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com. If you're not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go right there and this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by. From the homepage, the first thing we can do in the upper right corner is to go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page from where we can get started accessing the configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and use and sell in multiple languages on Odoo. As you can see right here on the official Odoo forum, somebody already asked the same question: how do you work and use multiple languages in Odoo? So basically guys, if the customer language is English and the user one is Swedish, at first you need technical features at user and access rights. So you can go into your settings and translations. Here at the top of the screen you have the configuration tab to access your settings. Currently I have not set up all the rest of the settings and set up my website, so I cannot see all of them, but if you have, you're going to go and be able to see the rest of it here. So what I suggest for you to do is go to the official Odoo forums, search for any topic similar to this one for multiple languages or different languages, and you can find replies by people who are professional with Odoo, and they will show you step by step on how to get started with setting it up and how to go ahead and set up different languages for your website. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.